Capcom Productions. And now, a dramatic reading with puppets, with guest star Ethan Gottlieb. Today's script, Demons, written by D.M. Larson.
Cameron, what's wrong?
Don't get any closer. I don't want them to hurt you.
Is something hurting you?
I've been trying to hide them. I wanted to protect you. I hid the truth from you. I wanted to keep you safe.
Safe? Safe from what?
Look into my eyes. Can you see them? Can you see them looking out at you? Can you see the darkness in me? I want them out of me. I want to rip them out of my soul. But they cling to me, holding on so tight that I can't breathe. Can you show me how to get rid of them? Can you help me?
I want to help. What could I do?
You're getting too close. I don't want them to hurt you. Please don't hurt him too. Please leave him alone. You have me. You don't need him too.
Is something there? Is something hurting you? Cameron, there's nothing there.
See what you've done? You've made them angry. They're punishing me. They always punish me. They want to punish you too.
Stop. You're scaring me. What are you doing?
I can't let you know, but I have to. It's the only way to make the pain inside me go away.
What happened to you? What's going on?
Lift me up. I feel like I am falling. I'm drowning inside. You feel so far away. I feel like nothing can reach me. I'm lost. I'm so weak. Please, I can't take this much longer. I can't do this anymore. How can I live this pain with this pain inside of me?
Then let it help you. Let me share the pain. Open up to me. Let me inside, and I will fight this with you.
Run! Run before they find you. I am hellbound. They are burned in my soul. They are part of me, but there is still hope for you. Hope for you.
I'm not leaving you. I'm here to stay. I will stay by your side, and we can stop this together. Let me give you strength. Let me give you hope.
Hope. There's no hope anymore. I'm too far gone. Buried. Deep inside this tomb. Lost and undone. My kingdom has come. His will was done. I am beyond heaven and earth. There's no deliverance from this evil. Why are you still here? Save yourself. Please. You can't. You are not strong enough. You can't stop them. You can never take them from me. Hey guys, so when I made the video, I forgot to put out. I'm right out of town. Sorry. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the show. Hope you enjoyed the show. Don't forget to like, favorite, and subscribe. Yeah. So and I guess next week video. Make sure to comment down below what script you want me to do next. I will do it. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Bye.